Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for chicks step by step. First, let's set up their new home. Before your chicks arrive, prepare a safe and secure brooder. This space needs to be draft-free and protected from any potential predators. Provide a reliable heat source, like a heat lamp or a heat plate, to keep them warm. Use absorbent bedding, such as pine shavings, but always avoid cedar, as it can be harmful to their respiratory systems. This initial setup is crucial for a healthy start. Once your brooder is ready, temperature control is key for happy chicks. For their first week, maintain the brooder at 95 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, reduce the temperature by 5 degrees Fahrenheit each week until they are fully feathered and ready for outside. Watch your chicks closely. If they are huddled together, they are likely too cold. If they are panting and spread out, they are too warm. Adjust the heat source as needed to ensure their comfort. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital for your growing chicks. Offer a high-quality chick starter feed, which typically contains 20 to 24% protein, to support their rapid development. Always provide fresh, clean water in a chick-appropriate fount. To prevent accidental drowning, especially with very young chicks, you can add some marbles or small stones to the waterer. Make sure both food and water are continuously accessible to all your chicks throughout the day. Daily monitoring and cleanliness are essential for your chicks' health and well-being. Check on them frequently for any signs of illness, injury, or unusual behavior. Keep the brooder clean by regularly changing the bedding to prevent the buildup of bacteria and maintain good hygiene. Gentle and frequent handling helps socialize your chicks, making them more comfortable around humans. As they grow, gradually introduce new foods, like small amounts of greens, to diversify their diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.